Hi, I'm Veronica, and I'm from the interior design team here at IKEA. Today, I'll be showing you some tips and ideas on how to become the ultimate host.
We've divided up the outdoor area into multiple zones to suit every stage of celebrations. Start with drinks from this Ruskog trolley, perfect for moving around to each guest. Keep their glasses full throughout the afternoon, then roll your bar cart with you as you head to the table to eat. Even if you're on barbecue duty, you're still part of the festivities with this outdoor food prep and cooking area. And when the food's ready, this Valletta box makes it easy to take your seasoning and condiments from the barbecue to the table. Keep the kids busy by setting their section of the table with colouring supplies and other activities, so they can entertain themselves while you enjoy the feast. When the party winds down, this sofa bed in the living room is ready to host any overnight guest. Just roll the coffee table out of the way and fold out the sofa bed with few easy steps. Keep the bed linen stored in this footstool, always handy and clean for your next guest. With a roaming bar cart, an outdoor kitchen that's always ready for a feast, and a sofa bed for an overnight guest, you're ready to host whenever you feel the party mood coming on.